Welcome to Diversified Products Manufacturing Mult-Sync installation. We will be welding Mult-Sync parts in place. The first step is to weld the bonding ring. Adjust and slide the band clamp onto the piping. Next, face the grooves of the bonding ring toward the sump wall. Apply zip tight to both edges of the split bonding ring. Put the edges together quickly and slip into the band clamp. Lightly tighten the band clamp. Be sure the weld seam is flush, then apply zip tight to both faces. Next, weld the Mult-Sync sleeve in place. Slide the threaded nut or bolt plate and the band clamp for the existing fitting into position. Adjust and position the band clamp for the sleeve. Install the sleeve around the piping with the fill port facing away from the sump wall. Apply zip tight to both edges of the split sleeve. Quickly put both edges together and slip on both band clamps. Lightly tighten both band clamps. Apply zip tight to both the inside and outside of the seam. After the sleeve is welded, weld the eccentric insert. Adjust the band clamp and slide into position. Apply zip tight to both edges of the split eccentric insert. Quickly put the edges together and slip into the band clamp. Lightly tighten the band clamp. Do not over tighten. Be sure the edges are flush and apply zip tight to the inside and outside of the seam. The last part to be welded is the Mult-Sync reducer. Adjust and slide the band clamp into position and install the Mult-Sync reducer around the piping. Apply zip tight to both edges of the split seam. Be especially careful to get zip tight into the seam at the piping. Slide the band clamp into position and lightly tighten. Install the band clamp on the reducer at the pipe and lightly tighten. Apply zip tight to the inside and outside of the seam. Allow the parts to cure for 30 minutes before assembling the fitting.